Okay, we're going to make torta bread with Giuseppa.
Così.
And she said,
Per parte.
she
Una
says,
di qua e una di qua e poi fai così.
she's telling you to use 2 hands and then roll it, this huge rolling
brava.
pin. She calls this rolling pin mattarello. Come lo chiami tu?
Mattarello.
Mattarello. Anche stenderello.
Anche stenderello. Ecco, adesso guarda, la giriamo così.
And now she's going
che
to
deve
turn it
venire
around
rotonda.
because we want to make a perfect circle of it.
Vedi? Che bella brava,
She's using her muscles. Good.
Ah,
Good, and you push with your the heels of your hand. Good.
brava,
You're
vedi?
doing it just right.
Questa viene una cuoca.
She's going to become a cook, Giuseppa says. She is a cook. Ma che facciamo? Provare anche il fratello?
Dopo lui fa quell'altra più piccolina.
Okay, and Leo, don't worry, because there's one for you to do too. So observe the technique.
Farina, se no si attacca.
She wants to put a little flour so it doesn't stick.
Maze, that's a big rolling pin, huh?
Stenderello. Il mattarello.
Ancora più fina, un altro pochino.
She needs to get it a little bit finer. Okay, you want it a little bit finer, the dough,
Così,
because you'll have better baking.
poi così. La facciamo diventa tutta bella rotonda e deve venire, vedi, qui è più fina e di qua è più grossa.
She says here
Allora
it's finer,
bisogna
here
passare
it's
il
thicker,
mattarello dove è
so
più
we have to
grossa,
make it
in modo che
even.
viene tutta uguale.
She's having you go over the part where it's thicker
Bravissima.
to make it even. Good girl, Maisie. You're doing a good job.
Ale, fatto.
That's
Questa è
enough?
pronta.
Now watch her take it over to the fire here. She's going to take it over to the
Adesso la
stenderello.
mettiamo a cuocere.
And she's going to make it, she's going to cook it. Giuseppina, piano, devo vedere, eccolo. See? She's spreading it out on the test stove. And it's cooking on top of the stove. So this is an Umbrian quick
No?
bread.
O la fa lei?
Leo, do you want to try one or do you want to? Yes, he's ready.
Now
Now it's Leo's turn. Look at that roll. This is the baker, the Umbrian baker.
Focaccia?
And he's rolling it out.
And they're both batter breads, not
This is a hearth bread and... E che c'hai le uova dentro, Giuseppa?
Dentro ci sono 3 uova su questo impasto.
There's flour, salt, leavening, and 3 eggs.
Olio e acqua.
And olive oil, of course, and it's going to be their olive oil. And she added a little water, too. Okay, you want to turn it around so it becomes round, because you don't want it to be oval, right? Good. Try to make it a circle, Leo. Good boy.
You can teach us how to knead.
Good boy. Good, now she's getting... sta facendo il cerchio,
Vedi
bravo.
quanto è bravo, ma lui l'ha fatta più volte.
She says, this guy must have already known how to do this.
Bravo, bravissimo.
Yes, you gave me that.
Bravo, bravo.
What'd you say? Oopsie.
You roll it. Let me teach you too.
Good job, Leo.
Ale, basta così.
Good
Pronta.
job. Perfect. You did it.
Yeah.